Welcome to math0980 Summer 2018 online course. Once you're finally able to log into my lab, this is the screen you should see. First thing you probably want to do is click on this browser check, and it's going to check to see if you have all the right software that you have, and it's saying that some of mine is a little outdated, so you would click on install now, and these are all free softwares that they will download and update for you. So make sure you have 3 check boxes here so that everything will work correctly. Next thing you might want to do is click on how to enter answers, and this will give you a few problems where you can learn how to enter answers into the system. Alright, next I would recommend you go to syllabus and outline. This will give you the syllabus, all the information you need about this course, and it will have the dates of the exams. I would mark these on your calendar today. And you will also find due dates for every single assignment that you will be doing on my lab. Ooh, except that one, 757. That one's got to be wrong. I'll fix that. Didn't notice that before. All right, so now you've gotten into the course and you're ready to start. Go back to the home here. I just want to show you this calendar real quickly. You will see assignments show up here. So your first assignment is due Thursday the 31st. It's section 1.1 quiz. And your next one is due Friday, section 1.2. And if you look at the next week, you see you have assignments due. Generally, assignments on my lab are going to be due Monday, Wednesday, Friday. All right, so you're ready to go ahead and learn about section 1.1. What I would recommend you do is you come here to video lectures. And what you will find here is a lecture for every single section we're going to cover. These were all made by me, so that, this was made a few years ago when I taught this course in a traditional classroom. So go ahead and you would watch the video. Just click on that. It's going to jump you to YouTube and pull up a video that I've posted. The other thing that you might want to do, besides watching my video, is go down here to Multimedia Library. And you can choose a section, Chapter 1, Section 1.1, and you can click on Video, and you could also click on Online Textbook. If you didn't buy the textbook, Section Video Lectures. If you didn't buy the textbook, this is where your textbook will show up online. Alright, so you could come into here, and you would notice this would take you to the book, and you could view the book, read the book, look at the book, if you enjoy learning math that way. It takes a second to pull it up, but it comes up. Takes you right to section 1.1. Or you could go ahead and watch the video that's created by the publishing company. These videos are very good too. I would highly recommend them. Alright, so you've watched at least one of the videos for section 1.1, maybe read the book. Now you're ready to go. So you think you're ready to take your quiz. Well, the deal is, in order to take a quiz, you first have to either do the study plan for the quiz or do the homework. Personally, I highly recommend the study plans. They may take you a little bit longer than the homework. The advantage of the study plans is they have built-in quizzes within them. So they have practice quizzes that you will do, which will help you prepare. All right, so what I would recommend is you go to study plan for section 1.1, and you can jump right to quiz me if you think you're ready for the quizzes, or you can go into practice. If you jump right to the quizzes and you complete the quizzes with a high enough score, it will move you forward. If not, it's going to dump you back and have you do some practice. Your other option is to do the homework. There's a homework for each section. You can do the homework for each section, and you need to score at least a 90%, and that will unlock the quiz. Or, as I say, you can do the study plan, pass all 3 of the quiz-mes in the study plan, and that will unlock the quiz. So let's say you've watched the videos, read the book, done the homework, or the study plan, one or the other. Now you're ready to take a quiz. Well, I can't open the quiz because I haven't done the homework or the study plan. But what you'll notice is you get 2 attempts for each quiz. I only take the higher of the two scores. So something that I highly recommend is you take the quiz the first time using no notes, no help, no book, nothing. Take it and really see how you do. And that'll give you an idea of how much you truly learned about the section. You can then review the quiz, look at the problems you missed, understand what's wrong, and then take it a second time, perhaps using the book, using notes, using whatever you think you need to make sure you get a good score. All right, so again, I highly recommend taking advantage of the fact that you can do the quizzes twice. Beyond that, other things that you might want to use, I'm going to go back into the homework here. Let's say you're doing a homework question and you're not quite sure what's going on. I'm not even going to read the problem. I'm just going to click C and see if I got it right. I got it wrong. Notice if I get it wrong, it gives you a little hint on what to do. Also notice it didn't mark it wrong yet. It gives you another try. So I'm going to try again. Again, I haven't read it. I don't know if that's the right answer. Oh, I got that one right. So it marks it right and it lets me go on. I'm going to make sure I get this one wrong. So notice it gives me multiple chances to do the problem. I think it's going to give me 3 in this case. And it's finally wrong. What it does when you get it wrong is it gives you an opportunity to go back and try again. It gives you a similar question. Now, if you've got the problem wrong 3 times, you might not quite understand what to do, so you might come up here to question help. Help me solve this. We'll solve this exact problem with you step by step, and then it will give you a different problem to try. View an example does exactly what you think. It shows you an example, shows you the answer step by step worked out, and then you can come back and try this exact problem. Textbook will take you to the spot in the textbook where this is mentioned. Ask my instructor. This is a great one. When you hit Ask my instructor, what it's going to do is it's going to send me an email. You do not need to tell me what the question says because I'll get a link that I can click on and I can look at the question. But you can type in here what you've tried, what you've done, what hasn't worked. Hopefully you just don't say, I don't understand, because that really doesn't do me much good. Hopefully you can tell me a little bit about what you tried and what didn't work. Okay? Click send. That will send me an email. I will get back to you as soon as I can. And I'm usually pretty good about getting back quickly, so give that a try, see how it goes. The other thing I wanted to point out in homework, and this works the same with the quiz too, once I click in this box where I got to type an answer, it gives me things that I might need. For example, you might need a fraction, you might need a square root, you might need to enter a point, you might need all sorts of different symbols. So if you click in the box and you need a fraction or something else, they'll all be here. Now you can also just type in a fraction, like 2 divided by 3, and it knows that you want a fraction. It'll do that for you. You can go 4 and then use the caret, which is on the same button as 6 to get an exponent. You can do things like that in a quick way, to keyboard strokes to get answers written to. Alright, so notice if I save this, it does keep track. I don't have to do everything at once. I can do some of the homework and I can come back later. It will keep track of exactly what I have right and exactly what I have wrong. Alright, now let's say you're struggling in general. How do you get help? Well, we have our tutoring center on campus will be open over the summer, and I will get information about that and I will post it soon. The other option is to go to the Star New York Tutoring. This is free tutoring that's available to you starting 7 o'clock at night until midnight, Sundays through Thursdays. You just click on this link and you'll go in here and I haven't been in here in a while. I forget exactly how it works, but I'm sure it's not difficult. Oh, just how to join. Click on how to join. It'll work you through. You'll get on, and there will be somebody available to help you. Last thing down here is email. If you need to send me an email, this is the way to go. You click here, click add. Right, other students will show up there, but right now I'm the only person. Type of subject, type your email, regular stuff there. All right, well, I think that's enough for today. The most important thing I can say is please contact me anytime you have questions or concerns, and I will get back to you quickly.